So as you can see, the technician is trying to straighten this pipe. We are going to ensure that it is in an exact straight direction, where we are not going to get any crookedness when we are installing this pipe into the trenches in the field. So we are first of all clamping, such that we shall be adjusting the positioning of the two pipes, the two different pipes, in accordance to the straightness that we are going to be using an equipment or a measurement item or instrument. So here what you see is a clamping process. We are clamping the two joints to attain the straightness. Yes? As you can see, the works are going on. A lot of care is needed. Everyone's expertise here is actually paramount. This is trying to explain the process to the client. The client is putting on yellow. Yeah, we shall go closer and see what the team is trying to achieve. But for the element of the video, you can see is that we are trying to attain the straightness of this pipe. The pipe is long, and we need the straightness. It is about 5.5 millimeters of length. So the technician is trying to see visually about the straightness. You can see the quality personnel, trying to also guide on the adjustment to attain the straightness of the pipe. No room for error. So as I told you, these pipes have always been labeled. This one is 200 millimeters. Outer diameter is 200 millimeters. That is around 6 inches. It's about 8 inches. So the drawing number. The line number for this drawing is PS2 D2.06.002.200. That's a drawing number. So the operators, as you can see, we are trying to achieve the straightness of this pipe. Looks to be not yet in position. I am new to making YouTube videos, and in the future maybe I'll be good at presenting to you exactly what you want. So I'm going to watch this video with you and see where I've been lacking, and I may repost this video with better explanations. But this is the original video without any edit. As you can see, it doesn't look good for down here. As you can see down, it's still having space down. The space is still down. I mean, it's supposed to be adjusted up a little bit. What happened? You can see down is not yet, it's not touching. So what's the adjustment What is going to be done here is going to be called lamination. This joint is going to be laminated because it is a straight joint and you don't have an elbow, so the process there is going to be lamination. So we are trying to adjust that, increasing the length and the height to ensure that the joint is sitting properly, meeting all the requirements. Not yet. You can basically see a gap down. Not yet, as we are all watching and leaving it to the technicians. And when the technicians get satisfied with what they have done, they call on the quality team to review. And if the quality team is satisfied with what is done, we call on the client to also view and see. And if the client is also satisfied, we carry on with our procedures. So basically, it is now still on the technician side, and everyone is waiting for their turn. This is the pinpoint keenness to detail that happens in the oil and gas industry, where every process is pioneered to excellence, to efficiency, to giving 100% productivity. This place is being designed for a period of 25 years, but the contractor is giving a lease and is giving an assurance that it can even move on to even 100 years. So all the agri procedures are supposed to be put in place, and nothing is supposed to be left to slip through the basket. So this is a project where all the clients are fully involved, the customer is fully involved, all the stakeholders are fully involved. And through all the ways, everyone is a supervisor here, and everyone can stop work. Work has to be consistently following all procedures, following all the safety protocols, and that is what is happening here. As you can see, the kind of organization here is top notch as regards to very many projects that are being carried out that are not actually in the oil and gas sector. If you go in the road sector or the construction sector, a lot of things are left to slip through the basket. Not here. So finally, we are using the spirit level to confirm. So he has called on the quality personnel to come and confirm the straightness. So Mr. Ajmal there is quality personnel, and he's confirming that straightness of that project. So when quality is satisfied with the straightness of the pipe, we are one step away from getting done with this procedure. You can see. So the client is also confirming, and what's good with the client is good, and we shall be ready to go. So the client is also confirming the straightness of this laminate, this joint is going to be laminated. It's taking the evidence. That's what's actually done here. Cameras, and I'm one of those people that are allowed to be having cameras when working is going on. I am a national, I am a Ugandan by nationality, and these expatriates coming here to give us the knowledge that they have and their expertise. And for us here, since this is our very own project, we have to also be involved, and we're supposed to be along the way whistleblowers. And all looks good. As you can see here is a mixture. We are mixing. Yeah. Very careful, very careful. So, what type of mixing is that? You're adding the dust that we use for shaving.
Yeah.
To make it stronger. Oh. So are we using the same mixture as for them?
We have different.
How much is the adena and how much is the...
We have
the base?
documentary.
Yes, I'm going to take pictures. I take pictures.
Documentary.
Yeah, yes.
Documentary.
Yeah, I want to just document it.
Check the alignment of this joint. Check alignment. Joint is aligned or not?
I've checked it. Yeah,
Don't touch this line. Okay?
Don't touch, my brother. Don't touch anything.
Oh. What's what?
visual.
Check the line is straight or not?
It is straight.
Like this.
Yeah, it's straight. I'm being asked to confirm the straightness, and some of them were not actually ready for me to be handling the video, but I'm not going to put down my camera. I'm going to be documenting this. Yes, because this happens once in a lifetime. Having these people who know what they are doing, do it in front of my eyes, and I keep it for myself, doesn't make sense. So this is where we go. Yeah. This is the first layer of the lamination.
এখানে জল আছে ওই 25টা নিয়ে আমি তো যেটা আমরা আগে ল্যামিনেশন করেছিলাম না না ওই সিঙ্গেলটা যেটা শুধু ইয়ে করে ওইটা নিয়ে
No, as I said, we are having experts here that are supposed to be doing this work, and they submit their documents to confirm their expertise. And in this certification, this Chinese guy you're seeing here next to me is actually the certified bonder, and that gentleman that is doing the bonding there is not certified, although he has the experience and everything. So what is happening right here is out of procedure. This is not a bonder, but he's doing the bonding. That's what is actually happening here. But you can see the client representative is from the same country as these people, so they look to be having an upper hand, and he has been made to pass. Yeah, interesting. But honestly speaking, this experienced bonder that doesn't have the certification is way too good. Is to compare the certified bonder who has a certificate from the vendor to be doing this bonding. I said they are 200 millimeters. Engineers, mechanical engineering, we are always married to millimeters. So this pipe path diameter is 200 millimeters. That is 8 inches. Sorry for the silence. Yeah, I've actually knocked on the slab that is actually keeping the straightness of this pipe. Speed level still looks good. Still looks good. So that's the first step during this lamination. I don't want to make a very long video, so we can stop here. Bye bye.